Okay, I want to explain the principles of tangency, and I want to let you know that there are three principles of tangency, and now we want to look at principle 1. This video will be divided into 3 parts. So this part deals with principle 1, so the second will deal with principle 2, and the third will deal with principle 3. As I've explained, that a tangent is a line that touches a circle at a point. A tangent is a line that touches a circle at a point. Not only a circle, it can be an arc. It can be an arc. So in this principle 1, this principle is used to join an arc with a straight line, and that straight line is a tangent to that arc. Okay, so after showing you how this is done, so we also look at the applications of this principle. Okay, so let's look at the principle as it is written on the paper. So we want to join an arc with a straight line. We want to connect an arc and a straight line together. So we draw a straight line. So this is a straight line. So let me call this line. So let me call it line AB. So this is a straight line AB here. So here is a straight line AB. Okay. Okay. So the line has been made thick. So this B is not well written. Okay, so I'll write it later. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line, a vertical line, probably at the middle of the line. So a vertical line probably at the middle of the line. And this line is a thin long chain line, which we use for center line. So this point, let me call it point C. Then I will take my compass and I will measure the radius of the arc. So let's say the radius of the arc is 60 mm. So I measure 60 mm on this ruler. Measure 60 mm on this ruler. So I put at this point and I will make small arc at this point. So that point, through that point, I want to draw a horizontal line. I want to draw a horizontal line through this point. So, and that horizontal center line is a thin long chain line. Okay, so I will call this point. I will call this point, I will call it point O. Then I will take that 60. I take this 60, put it at this point here, and it will touch this point C. Then I will draw an arc. So the arc goes like this. Okay, so the arc goes like this. So this is the arc. This is the arc. So this arc touch this straight line at this point C. It touches this straight line at this point C. So now, so I want to show the radius of the arc. Okay, so this is radius 60. So this is radius 60 mm. So this is the first principle of tangency. So this principle has an application. We can apply this principle to connect two straight lines together. Two straight lines, you can connect them together with the application of this principle. So we join them together with the use of an arc. So the application is explained here. So I have two straight lines. I have two straight lines. One is horizontal and the other is vertical. So they intersect at this point. So let me call this point, let me call it point O, and let me call this A. This is line OA, and this is line OB. This is line OB. Okay. Now the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to take the radius of the arc that we want to use to connect these two lines together. But before that, I need to draw a vertical line at the end of this line here. Draw a vertical line at this point. So draw a vertical line here, and at the end of this line, at this point, I will draw a horizontal line. So let's say the radius of the arc that we want to use to connect them together is 20 mm. So I will measure 20 mm on the ruler. So this is 20. It is 20 mm. So I'll put it here at point A, make an arc on this line. Make an arc on this line. I'll put at point B. At point B here, and make an arc on this line. Then I will draw horizontal and vertical center line, so that I need the point of intersection of these lines. The point of intersection of these lines. So I need the point of intersection. That point of intersection is where I'm going to put my compass to draw an arc that will connect these two lines together. Okay, so they intersect at this point. This is the point where they intersect. They intersect here. So let me call it point P. So let me call it point P. So I will now take my compass with that 20 mm that I've used before. So I will put it at this point here. Put it at point P. So put the pinpoint of the compass at point P. So if you look at it, it's touching this line here. So I will now draw an arc. Okay, so look at the arc. So I'll draw an arc here. Okay. Okay. So the arc has been used to join the two straight lines together. The arc has been used to join the two straight lines together. So these lines, they are perpendicular to each other. They are perpendicular to each other. They are perpendicular to each other. So this is one of the application of the principle of tangency 1. So we can use this principle to join two arcs together with the use of an arc. Okay, so this arc now, it has a radius. So whenever you do it, probably in the exam, so you need to dimension it. You need to dimension it. So I'm going to dimension this. Okay. So this is radius 20. This is R20. Radius 20, R20. So this is it. Okay, so that is the first one. So I want to show you another one. So if we have two lines that are at an angle to each other, that are at an angle to each other, at an angle to each other. So let's have the horizontal line. So here we have horizontal line, and let's have another line. So the two lines are at 60 degree to each other. They are 60 degrees to each other. So the angle is 60 degrees. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to, so I will use the 30-degree side. So this line is at 60 degrees to the horizontal line. So I want to draw a line here. So this line will be used to locate the point where I will put my compass to draw an arc that will connect these two lines together. Okay, so I'm still using 20 mm. I'm still using 20 mm. So I will take my 20 mm, put it at this point. Put it at this point. So make an arc here, and then I'll bring it here. Bring it to this point here. So make an arc on this line. So let's call this line OA. So this is point O, and this is point B. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is that I will draw a straight line. I will draw then I will use my 60-degree side. So this line that I'm going to draw has to be parallel to this. So I will draw a line from here. Okay. Alright, so I need to make sure they intersect very well. Okay, so this is the point of intersection. This is the point of intersection. So let me call this point, let me call it point P. So I now take my compass, put it at point P. So as I still have my 20, so from here, so I just draw an arc. Draw an arc like this. Oh, sorry. So draw an arc. So put the compass at point P. So the radius is 20. The radius is 20. The radius is 20. So you can see that I've joined them together. I've connected them together with the use of this arc. Another thing about this that I need to let you know, I'm coming. So I need to tick this line. I want to make it thick so that it can be uniform with that arc. It can be uniform with that arc. They will have the same thickness. That's what we call uniformity. They will have the same thickness. Okay. Another thing about this arc that I want to explain is that the point at which the arc touch this line is called the point of tangency. It's called the point of tangency. So this point on this line is the point of tangency T. So we usually put T there. And also for this one, this point here, where the arc touch the straight line is the point of tangency. So I can put capital letter T here. So the same thing applies to what we have here. So this point here, this point here. So this point and this point. So where the arc touch the straight line is known as the point of tangency. So this is the point of tangency. So we use capital letter T to show the point of tangency. Okay, so these are the application of the first principle of tangency. So it's as simple as explained there. So what you need to you can follow the dimensions that I used. You can follow the dimensions that I used to do your own. So, and then you can, if you have a textbook, you can also open your textbook and learn from your textbook. So this thing is as simple as I explained it here. So subscribe. You can subscribe so that whenever I upload a video, you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And this is very, very important. So you need to have the knowledge of the 3 principles of tangency. So you need to have the knowledge of the three principles of tangency. So the second video will also come up, so you can download it, or you can view it. So thank you.